Hi everyone, Trayman1993 here, and today we're going to be doing part 2 of my train haul I got. And I got 2 stuff on eBay except for that one steam engine I'm going to show you, which I did not get off eBay. And I'll tell you why in a moment. But here it is. This one I got off eBay yesterday is a Bachmann N-Scale diesel horn number 46708 here, and I have the original box for it, as you can see here. Really cool. I got another one of this because the other speaker did not work properly, and I salvaged the other one from the old one into that Plasticville other diesel horn with the red wire though. So I got another one of this, so I'm happy for it. And I'll give it a test right now. It doesn't even sound really great though, but it is what it is. I don't mind it. I really like it though. It's a nice little piece. But let's give it a demonstration. Hang on. Sorry, that is way out of tune. Maybe because of the push button or something, or maybe the speaker, who knows. Another one I got is for an O-gauge one. And it's a replacement coupler here for my my DT&I NW2 Lionel switcher I have though, which is the Marinera from 1971 here. And here is a part number if you wanna guys like to get one of these. If you guys don't have like any couplers on the front or the back like mine does. Unlike mine, or what I mean. Here's the part number. Very nice. And last but not least, I'm gonna talk to you about this right now. This one I did not get off eBay. I got this from a YouTuber named Brian C. Greene, aka Watch It and You Too, Chattanooga. The runner, it's pretty nice. Has a knuckle coupler, which I gotta fix the spring on here. Tender driven, as you can see the motors in the tender. This is a Tyco, as you all noticed. So there's a horn hook in the back. I gotta fix that. Really nice, and it does have a smoke unit here if you want to put some smoke fluid. Remove this belt and put probably around 8 drops though, no more than 8 drops I would say. So very nice. I had to delete my last night's live stream because the quality was very poorly. I might try to do another live stream as soon as I can. Yeah. Unfortunately, that video was kind of trashed, sadly. So, oh well. But I hope you guys enjoy this train vid. Take care and have a good one.